Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I built a smart presence sensor using only an ESP32 and Bluetooth. Imagine walking into a room and your home instantly knows you're there, triggering lights, notifications or automations, all with affordable open hardware. This project uses the ESP32 microcontroller, a powerful and low-cost board with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. By leveraging its Bluetooth capabilities, we can track nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices, like your phone or smartwatch, and detect your presence in a specific room or zone. Here's how it works. The ESP32 continually scans for Bluetooth devices in its range. When it detects a device with a specific Bluetooth ID, it logs that device as present. Signal strength, RSSI, is used to help determine how close the device is. Once your device is in range, the sensor can trigger actions, like switching lights on or off, sending notifications, or updating your smart home hub. To build this project, you'll need an ESP32 board, access to the Arduino IDE or S-Phone, a phone, smartwatch, or other Bluetooth device you want to track. Programming the ESP32 is straightforward. You'll upload code that instructs it to continually scan for known Bluetooth MAC addresses and check their signal strength. Watch as I demonstrate. My phone is in my pocket. As I enter the room, the ESP32 instantly detects my phone's Bluetooth signal and registers my presence. If I leave, the ESP32 notes my absence. This real-time detection makes it perfect for automating lights and routines. This Bluetooth-based presence sensing offers several advantages. Inexpensive hardware, non-intrusive detection, no cameras or motion sensors, integrates with existing smart home platforms. However, there are some limitations. Bluetooth device MAC addresses can sometimes be randomized by newer phones, which may affect detection reliability. If your Bluetooth is off, detection won't work. This project is a fantastic way to add smart presence sensing to your home for just a few dollars and some DIY spirit. Whether you want better automation or just geek out with home tech, ESP32 plus Bluetooth presence sensing is an awesome solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full coding tutorial.